Hey guys, welcome to today's video. On this video, I am going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Windows device. So this can be a laptop or a desktop. Now to take a screenshot on your device, I am going to make use of two different methods. So first method is going to be a keyboard shortcut, and then the second method we are going to do with making use of a software. So to do this with a keyboard shortcut, all you need to do is to press print screen. Now print screen is actually they always abbreviate it to PRTSC. So PRTSC, that is what you are going to see on your keyboard. So now on most cases, if you want to press the print screen, you actually need to press FN on your keyboard together with print screen. That is the only way it works. But for my case, I can only press print screen on the keyboard and it works. Now, if you press print screen, how to confirm if you've taken a screenshot, you press Windows key and V, which is actually for you to show what is on your keyboard. Now you see I have so many things on my keyboard. Let me go ahead and delete everything on my keyboard. Now I have deleted them. Let me take another screenshot. So I'm going to press print screen and then Windows V. Now you see I have one thing displaying on my print screen. Now to show you guys that this actually works, let me go ahead and open this browser and then do the same thing, print screen and then Windows V. Now you can clearly see I took a screenshot. Now another way for you to also confirm that you've taken a screenshot is for you to paste this, let's say anywhere. So let's say on this my browser, you can press Ctrl V to paste what you have actually snapped, which is actually what I took a screenshot of. This is the image right there loading. So whenever you take a screenshot, you can always paste it, let's say anywhere. In this case, I paste it in a browser. So for a different situation, let me go ahead and put this in Paint. Paint is actually a software that is always on your Windows laptop. So I can actually paste it on Paint by doing Ctrl V. Now this is actually what I screenshot. Now for you to also know that I am taking the screenshot, let me go ahead and open YouTube. So my internet is a bit slow. It might not be as fast as you want. So let me press print screen right now and then go to Paint and then Ctrl V. There you go. So this actually proved that I took a screenshot. Now, like I said, I am going to show you two different methods to do it. So the second method to take a screenshot is you make use of a sniper tool. Type snipe. You are going to see it's sniping tool. This is on default on every Windows laptop. It actually comes with every Windows software. So you can click on this new and then you highlight the area you want to screenshot and then it is going to open for you and now you can save it on your device. This two method is how to take a screenshot. And also I can go to any website. Let's say scroll down a little bit, take this your sniping tool, click on new and then snipe wherever you want to. This, guys, is how to take a screenshot and you can always save it. If you have question regarding this, leave it on the comment section. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.